Welcome to my quick tutorials on how to recreate everything from simple shapes to complex effects. Subscribe to my channel today and start learning. In today's video we will recreate this pattern with a simple solution. Let's begin. First we make an artboard. And with the rectangle tool draw a rectangle. For simplicity, in the properties we dial in the width and height of our rectangle. And align our rectangle to the artboard. We want the rectangle to only have a stroke and no fill, so in the toolbar with fill in the foreground, click on the disable icon below it. Now with the rectangle selected, in the menu, click Transform and transform each. In the window that pops up, we dial the scale and rotation we want for our second rectangle. Make sure that the second rectangle fits inside the original one. Now we hit Copy in bottom of the pop-up window. With the second rectangle selected, we open Object in menu and hit Transform. As you can see, the first item is Transform again with the shortcut Ctrl-D or Command-D. As you can see, if we select it, another rectangle appears and it's selected. So we hit the shortcut multiple times so it generates more copy. If we hold down the shortcut, it will create copies until we let go. Continue to make copies until there is no white space left in the center. Now we group all the rectangles with Ctrl-G or Command-G so we can move it around easily. Now we want to make the pattern. In the original pattern, the main rectangle was smaller and at 45-degree angle. So we make our rectangle smaller and rotate it 45-degree. For the rotation, we hold down the Shift key so it snaps to every 45-degree angle. Now with the group selected, we go to the menu, Object, and in the pattern click on Make. In the pattern options we change the name for the pattern. And we change the tile type to brick by row. As you can see in the preview, there is vertical space between the tiles. So we decrease the height of our tile. Zoom in to dial in the exact number for the tile height. After we finished setting the parameters, click Done in top of the window. Now we delete the group that we created and make a new rectangle. With the new rectangle selected and the fill in foreground inside the toolbar, go to the window and open the Swatches panel. In the Swatches panel you can see the default colors and patterns. You can change the size of thumbnails in the top right corner menu. Find the pattern that we created and apply the pattern to rectangle by clicking on it. And finished. Play with different shapes and settings to create something new. Hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos like this.